everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to create a WhatsApp account. To do that, you first download the application and then tap upon that WhatsApp app. Once you tap upon that, you will be directed to this home page. From here, you need to choose your language and then tap on Next. Here you need to tap on Agree and Continue. Here you will need to choose your country code and then provide the phone number. Tap on the downward option over here on the country, and from there you choose your country and country code. After that, you provide the phone number and then tap on Next. You enter this phone number. Is this okay? Would you like to edit the number? If the number you provided is correct, you tap on OK. Waiting to automatically detect an SMS. WhatsApp will send you a 6-digit code which will be auto-detected and you will be moved to the forward process. As you can see, the code has been auto-detected and you have been moved forward. Contacts and media. To easily send messages and photos to friends and family, allow WhatsApp to access your contact, photos and other media. Tap on Continue. Allow WhatsApp to access your contact. Tap on Allow. Allow WhatsApp to access photos, media and file on your device. Tap on Allow. Now here you will need to provide your profile and your name. Type in the name first. Now tap on the profile, that is the camera plus icon. Tap that. You will have the option to choose the picture. You can either click a picture right now by tapping on camera, or you can choose the picture from your gallery, or you can also upload a avatar as your profile picture in WhatsApp. We're gonna go with the gallery. Tap that. You select the picture that you want as your WhatsApp profile. Adjust the profile and then tap on Done. With this, the account creation process in WhatsApp is completed. So this is how you can create a WhatsApp account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.